G'day, Mick again. Now, I do a lot of four-wheel driving and I always demand the best. That's why I've fitted one of these Gates XtremeRunner heavy-duty belts designed to deliver peak performance in four-wheel drive applications. Now, I really can't recommend enough to you that if you haven't already fitted one and you do a lot of towing, maybe you're doing a lap of the map, heading out back of Bourke, or even just some camping and four-wheel driving, you must have a Gates XtremeRunner belt as a spare in your kit. Because if you break a belt out in the middle of nowhere, you know exactly what creek you'll be up.
They're built to last, won't stretch like other belts, and they outlast other belts on the market. And they're heavy duty.
Speak to your mechanic or grab one of these as a spare for your kit today. Gates XtremeRunner belts, the ultimate choice for four-wheel driving enthusiasts and professionals.